Located on the Mediterranean coast, Antalya is a stunning city that offers numerous attractions and activities to enjoy. The Turkish Riviera, also known as the Turquoise Coast, lives up to its name with its beautiful beaches, historical landmarks, and enchanting waterfalls scattered throughout the countryside. A visit to Antalya guarantees unforgettable memories of an incredible journey. Exploring the city's historic center is a delightful way to immerse yourself in its charm. Take a moment to savor a cup of Turkish coffee while observing the bustling world around you. It's a heavenly experience. Steeped in history, this remarkable city not only showcases present-day Turkey, but also reveals the rich heritage of the various civilizations that have traversed this part of the world throughout the ages. Here, we present 7 of the best activities to do in Antalya. Number 1, Kaleici. The city's historic center is filled with charming old Ottoman mansions and stunning monuments and buildings that trace their origins back to the Roman and Byzantine eras. Consequently, Kaleici offers a delightful experience for exploring. Its labyrinthine streets are the perfect setting for getting lost and immersing oneself in the sights and sounds of Antalya. There is an abundance of restaurants, shops, and atmospheric cafes to discover, providing plenty to see and do. Additionally, you'll find numerous quaint art galleries scattered throughout the narrow streets. Amongst these notable structures include the Tekeli Mehmet Pasha Mosque from the 18th century and the elegant Kisik minaret, while the vibrant main square serves as the heart of daily life. For many visitors, Kaleici stands out as the highlight of their trip. It is an essential destination if you desire to experience the captivating blend of contemporary and traditional Turkish culture. While most people flock to Antalya during the summer for sunbathing, swimming, or relaxing at its resorts, you also have the option to embark on boat trips along the glistening Mediterranean or explore the mesmerizing waterfalls. July and August experience extremely high temperatures, with an average of 34 degrees C, and the seawater is also quite warm. Exploring the sights becomes uncomfortable, and even sunbathing can be challenging during the peak hours of the day. Additionally, prices tend to be higher during this period. However, there are enjoyable events like the Antalya Sand Sculpture Festival that you can attend. Number 2, Duden waterfalls located approximately 12 kilometers from the city center. The Duden waterfalls present a stunning spectacle and are a popular destination for both locals and tourists. These waterfalls originate from the Taurus Mountains and meander through the karst landscape that surrounds Antalya before plunging dramatically into the Mediterranean Sea at the lower Duden waterfalls. While the lower falls provide the most impressive view from a boat, the upper waterfalls create a delightful backdrop for a picnic, nestled within a picturesque gorge. Moreover, visitors have the opportunity to explore a cave situated behind the waterfall, offering a mesmerizing experience as the water cascades down from the cliff overhead. Number 3, Hadrian's Gate. Hadrian's Gate is an awe-inspiring and captivating structure that pays tribute to the Roman Emperor Hadrian's visit to Antalya in 130 AD. This remarkable triumphal arch has been remarkably well preserved and continues to serve as one of the primary entry points into the historic Kaleici neighborhood. The archway consists of 3 arches adorned with pillars, while the interior ceiling boasts intricate carvings that are a sight to behold. Flanked by 2 ancient towers, Hadrian's Gate stands as the sole remaining entrance gate, amidst the remnants of the city's old defensive walls. Number 4, Aspendos. Prepare to be amazed by the awe-inspiring beauty of Aspendos. This extraordinary destination, located approximately 40 kilometers from Antalya, is a must-see for any traveler. The sight that awaits you is truly astonishing and well worth the journey. Aspendos is one of Turkey's most popular tourist attractions, and its remarkable Roman theater is a true marvel. built in approximately 155 AD, this magnificent structure has been remarkably preserved. As you approach, you'll be struck by the towering entrance that looms above you, leaving you in awe of its sheer size and grandeur. In addition to the theater, there are numerous other ruins to explore at Aspendos. Take your time to discover the remnants of a basilica, aqueduct, and agora. However, it is the breathtaking theater that steals the show, attracting visitors from all corners of the globe. Number 5, Konyaalti Beach. Situated in the western part of the city, this incredible pebble beach extends for more than 7 kilometers and offers a wonderful opportunity to relax and soak up the sun. There are numerous cafes, snack bars, and restaurants in close proximity, perfect for satisfying any cravings. Additionally, the Antalya Beach Park, located just behind the beach, provides plenty of shady spots for those seeking refuge from the sun. With the magnificent Beydaglari Mountains serving as a picturesque backdrop in the distance, Konyaalti Beach is an ideal destination for those who simply want to admire the breathtaking scenery while enjoying the seaside. For those seeking a bit more excitement, why not try your hand at jet skiing or visit the nearby Aqualand water park, which is just a short distance away. Number 6, Antalya Aquarium, one of the largest complexes worldwide, offers both educational and entertaining experiences. With 40 themed aquariums, it guarantees a delightful day out for the whole family. The highlight is the longest tunnel aquarium in the world, providing plenty to see and do. Don't miss the fascinating tropical reptile house. Moreover, the complex also features Snow World, an ice museum, where you can engage in snowball fights and immerse yourself in the icy wonderland. Number 7, Tunektepe. Towering above Antalya's western side, Tunektepe is an immense hill that provides breathtaking vistas of the city, the Gulf of Antalya, and the meandering coastline that stretches into the distance. Ascending the hillside via a cable car is one of the most enjoyable ways to reach the summit. Once there, you'll find a restaurant and even a nightclub for those who wish to dance the night away in a memorable setting.